Welcome to Layn Getaround University. My name's Conrad Layn. I'm going to share what Getaround's demographic is and why it's one of the most passive, truly passive income wealth building apps that can allow you to build riches pretty fast. I'm going to share the screen on what the demographics are, what type of renters rent from Getaround, and how you can earn passive income in your sleep. You don't even have to be near your car. Follow screen through. For following me through and welcome to Layn Getaround University. Let's get right to it. So the reason why people want to book and rent from Getaround and what really sets them apart from any other platform, there's a lot of great platforms out there, but what sets around Getaround makes Getaround special is first, they allow flexibility and freedom. That's what they live by. For example, Turo is all about the experience. Next destination. Hire car is all about the gig economy. People that want to use your car to make money on Uber Eats, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Lyft, etc., Uber. And Avail is all about the travel. When you're flying into town, you want an easy car as soon as you get out the airport, or now as soon as you get out the to the downtown location where you're at, you can actually get a car easily for travelers, tourists, etc. Getaround's a bit different. Getaround's about complete flexibility and ease and comfort like it stipulates here. Instantly rent and unlock nearby cars. Getaround preaches efficiency, quickness, freedom, and that's what they want. Because what they're essentially doing is they're worldwide. So what they want to do is they want to be the truly seamless experience, as it states right there. Instant, 100% digital access. They're the only platform at this time that are 100% digital, meaning the renter can unlock and lock the car from their phone, from their app. You don't have to be there. This offers a truly passive income to you and a truly seamless experience for them, the renter. Like it states right there, stipulates search, book, and unlock instantly, all from your phone. Ditch the rental counter and the waiting. That's what Getaround's about. And Getaround's all over the world. You can find them all over the United States. You can find them all in the UK, etc., all over the world. They're really doing big things. The world's first connected car sharing marketplace. 1.7 million worldwide guests, 6 million trips taken, 1,000 plus cities covered, 8 countries, people. That's huge and massive. They've been around since 2008 for those that don't know. They're definitely an industry veteran and they're getting better with time. Truly passive experience, as it states right here, all about just unlocking, unlocking, unlocking. Let me show you the next. This gets really good. Next page. This is what Getaround's all about. Share a car, book a car. You'll find cars on the Getaround platform in your favorite cities. Wherever you are, wherever you want to go in the cities across America, we got you. And they're outside America as well. Again, they're in 8 countries, as stipulated before. Here's the states. Look at that. All over the United States, people. All over. You can click on any of these. And the cool thing about Getaround, see all these like cities up here? There's smaller cities that maybe aren't as known, and they're even in these little pockets in America. This is how it is all over the world as well. What they essentially allow you to do, which is really cool, they allow you to launch your own city as a power host. They're one of the few that actually allow you, say you go into Getaround, you're like, hey, I really love what Conrad Layn's saying. This is great. I want to make some money. And you're like, hey, I want to do this. And you open up your city and you say, hey, Getaround's not in my area. Not a problem. Getaround's one of the first that will actually interact with you. They want to expand globally, and they'll allow you to open up your own market as a power host in a new city. Pretty cool. That's a whole other video within itself, but I just want to give you this kind of stipulate on that. Let me show you another page. And last but not least, to get more into demographic, Getaround really allows anyone and everyone to rent a car from them. They actually have no cap on the type of person, meaning if you're someone who's flying in town, great. If you're someone who needs to run around with your granddad, grandma, run some errands for your kids or for yourself, you just need a car for the day, for the hour. If you want to rent it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, if you want to rent it for 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 3 months, doesn't matter. If you want to drive for Uber, etc., Uber Eats to earn income, they allow all of this as long as you agree to this. You want to let your car be rented for Uber, then that's great, or Uber Eats, great. If you don't want to, you could just only rent it to people who are flying into town, flying out of town, who just need a car for a day or need it for an hour. It's up to you as the owner. Getaround gives you the power to actually allow to earn full passive income and earn bonuses when you rent your car on the platform. You have the obligation and the privilege
of notifying Getaround who you want to rent your car to. Do you want to rent to Uber drivers? Great. Open up that passive stream of income. If you don't want to do it, you only want to rent to renters that may fly into town or just need it for a day trip or vacation, whatever the case is, or for a few months, or they're in town for maybe 3 months, which has happened to me where they'll book it for 3 months because they have a project. They're maybe flying into LA. You know what I mean? So whatever the case might be, doesn't really matter. And the cool thing, if you are interested in allowing rental income with Uber drivers, which Uber drivers will rent your car to commit Uber drives, so like pick up passengers and drop them off, or pick up food for on behalf of Uber customers. These are the only areas at this time that accept it, which is Atlanta, Baltimore, Boston, Dallas, Denver, Houston, Los Angeles, Miami, the state of New Jersey, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Portland, Sacramento, San Diego, San Francisco, Seattle, Washington, D.C. If your area is not listed here and you're saying, hey, I really want to allow Uber drivers to rent my car, you can actually, as I mentioned in the last page, contact Getaround and open up that area. Request it. That's what you can do. But if you're not interested in this part doesn't matter. Just want to share all the other streams that you can earn. There's many more streams beyond this, but I want to share just a few reasons why people rent from Getaround. That Getaround's all about the seamless process, efficiency, 100% technology based, where you can unlock and lock a car through your phone. Host and owner does not have to be there. Truly passive way of earning income. I love Getaround and highly recommend. So welcome to Layn Getaround University. Let's make some money and let's graduate our life, people. Carlin out.